guys, so I found him awake. He was asleep. He was just like sleeping endlessly. I guess because he was like lost on the streets and he wasn't asleep, like feeling unsafe. But once he felt safe, he began to sleep like he just wake up, eat, and sleep. Wake up, eat, and sleep. And there's some play. And we took a shower, and he's a kisser. He really loved to kiss me. Now he's still sleepy, but I really wanted you to see him. So he's a beautiful black cat. If my mom knew that I had a black cat, she would say, "Look, no black cat." But anyway, look at this face. How on earth this will be baffling? He's so beautiful, aren't you? Yeah, aren't you beautiful? Aren't he beautiful? See that face? He's so cute. Aren't you cute? Aren't you cute? Yeah, still thinking about a name. But of course, it will be an Egyptian name, an old Egyptian name, as all of my cats. I still don't know. Like Mao? Maybe? I had horrors before, so maybe Mao, Osiris, what? And he's a kisser. I'll think about a name. You love my ear. You are a naughty man. You are a naughty man. He understands the females. Can you hear the purring? It's so beautiful. Okay, guys. Really hope you like him.